Yo, what's good with it, man? It's Caesar Better to Fly 7, you feel what I'm saying? Check it out, though. I got a lot of friends who be like, Caesar, man, won't you help me out with my credit? Help me fix my credit. Give me some of this good credit game, you feel what I'm saying? Well, say no more. I got you. You feel what I'm saying? I'm going to give y'all some of this good credit game right here that anybody can do. You feel what I'm saying? And when you go hire a credit agency, you feel what I'm saying, to go fix your credit, these are some of the practices. These are some of the practices that they're doing. You feel what I'm saying? But I also know some other little shit that's like G14 classified information. I ain't telling nobody. But anyway, these are some things that you can do to clean up your own credit at home by yourself, easy as hell. You feel what I'm saying? Now check it out. The first thing you do, you feel what I'm saying, you have to pull your credit report. I'm not talking about going to Credit Karma or going to Credit Sesame and getting those two bureaus. You have to go dive in. And I said, I paid $1 to go get my credit report. So pay $1, get your credit report. Boom. Once you get your credit report, the first thing that you're going to start looking for is inconsistencies. You feel me? And here's the thing, though, about this shit. They always make mistakes. So I'm going to give y'all some game, though. I'm going to show y'all some of the errors and stuff, some of the errors, the inconsistencies that you guys should be looking for and that you guys should be attacking the credit bureau and the collection agencies with. Bam. So this is my credit right here. Now, let's get to some of these. Bam. Here we go right here. Student loan. A lot of people are like, how do you pay off your student loans? Inconsistencies, okay? Now, these are some of the things where you have the account right there. You have the account type details, bureau code, account status, monthly payments, etc., right? So the very first thing that I look for, you feel what I'm saying? I go to every single one, and I go across each one of these lines, right? Anything that's inconsistent, I highlight it. You dig? So, for example, this account, the account number, you see that? I don't know if y'all could or not, but that says EO0220, right? This one says 928847. You feel me? Inconsistent. Oops, excuse me. Sorry about that, you guys. The last active day. You see that? Last active day, 7/31, 4/01, 7/31. Inconsistent. You see these charts right here? Equifax. These are supposed to be reported. You feel what I'm saying? These are inconsistent. You feel what I'm saying? Now, by not having information on these little blocks right there, it can make you or break your credit. You feel what I'm saying? That's inconsistent. That has to go. Next, this is another student loan. You feel what I'm saying? Same shit. Now, collections is one of my favorite things by far because it's illegal for an agency to collect money on another person's behalf. So basically what they do is when they send your stuff to collections, the people that you actually owe, they sell your information to someone else and they try to collect the information. 100% illegal. You feel what I'm saying? So the dispute, so anything like this, collections gotta go. Collections gotta go. And what I also try to do though, I don't just try to aim at one thing. I'm over here trying to punch on every single thing to get this shit off. Account type. You feel me? Open account, collections. Is it open or is it in collections? That has to go. You feel what I'm saying? These dates, they have to go. And even these blocks right here, you feel what I'm saying? You see this date ended on August. You feel what I'm saying? But the information only stops at April. That's inconsistent. Guess what? It got to go. Oh, this is Cox Communication. You feel what I'm saying? Look, open account, collections. Which one is it? Is it open or is it in collections? That's inconsistent. That has to go. You feel what I'm saying? Numbers of month, term, is blank right there. It's one. That's a wobbler, but we still going to attack it any goddamn way. You feel what I'm saying? And these dates right there, inconsistent. They have to goddamn go. You feel what I'm saying? And these are just like the first little credit reports. This is like the first few pages to let y'all understand that there are so many inconsistencies in your credit report that has to go by law. You feel me? I know a lot of people say, I don't fuck with the law. Well, shit. Shit. Give me my cheeses, nigga. Cheese better than 5-7, man. This video helped y'all out. Hit the like button, share, tag people. Let them know because I'll drop some more information for y'all for sure. You feel what I'm saying? Because what you're going to have to do once you start spotting these inconsistencies, what you're going to have to do now, right, is write up your dispute forms, your paperwork. You feel what I'm saying? You let these niggas know that what y'all doing is illegal and I will call the police. Keep it gangster, y'all. Keep it gangster. Caesar Bella 5-7, man. I holler.